Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay eBay fees. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to follow these articles for the customer service or in the help center of eBay. As you can see, for a seller, you would have like some types or there are different fees. There are the insertion fee. That means when you list your items, and basically there is also the final value fees. And eBay will charge one final value fee when your item sells. And you don't have like to worry about third-party payments processing or anything. The fee is calculated percentage of the total amount and it will be deducted. Now, you can just go here like to find all the fees and their value or the amount. And basically, what we are interested in is or how to pay these fees. And as you can see, for a seller, these fees are deducted automatically. So as you can see, as a seller, your fees and selling costs are automatically deducted from the proceeds of your sale. So whenever you are selling, all the fees will be deducted from the checkout amount, and the rest of your funds are paid directly into your Pioneer account. As you can see, by that you won't need like to uh, worry about anything, and you will have all the fees that will be deducted. As you can see, fees and selling costs may include the eBay fees like shipping labels. It can be also start subscription on eBay, like to start listing your items and stuff, your eBay money back guarantee refund, payment dispute refund, etc. So basically that's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.